He learned to read and write on his own and eventually got his first job as a teacher. Now, after moving from Indiana to Boston, he moved from Boston to Portland, Maine. It was in Portland, Maine, where he studied law, and he started working for an abolitionist and an attorney by the name of Samuel Fettison. Fettison tried to get him admitted to the bar in Portland, but the Portland District Court rejected his motion, saying that he did not meet the state's citizenship requirements. So he found another way. He opted to try to get admitted to the bar through examination. Now, that process was already tough, but it was made tougher because of the color of his skin. Despite that process, though, he earned his license to practice law on July 3rd, 1844, making history by becoming the country's first Black lawyer. After spending some time in Portland, he moved back to Boston. He was admitted to the bar there and became the first Black lawyer to argue before a jury in the country. 2 years after that, 1847, he became the second Black person in the United States to hold a judicial position after he passed an exam to become Justice of the Peace for Middlesex County in Massachusetts. He accomplished all of this at a time when the Constitution didn't even consider Black people as equal citizens. After the Civil War, he moved to South Carolina, and he opened up a law firm with two other Black attorneys by the name of William Whipper and Robert Elliott. Whipper, Elliott, and Allen is known as the first Black law firm in the country. In 1873, he was elected to be a judge of Charleston County Criminal Court, and 3 years after that, he was elected as a probate judge for Charleston County, South Carolina. At the end of Reconstruction, he moved to Washington, D.C., and continued to practice law there. Macon Bolling Allen learned to read and write on his own and ended up becoming the first Black person to be licensed to practice law in the country. Happy Black History Month to him and to all of you.